Hey everybody, Spencer from EnergySage here with the second video in our mini-series, Saving Energy with EnergySage. Today I want to take a deeper dive into consumption monitoring. Beyond looking at your monthly electricity bills, how do you actually know how much electricity you are using on a daily level or on an hourly level? Well, a couple of ways about this. In some parts of the country, your utility may have already installed something called a smart meter. A smart meter takes electrical readings with a much higher level of frequency than a standard meter, meaning that you should be able to log into your utility's online account and track your usage at an hourly level, a 15-minute level, or maybe even a 5-minute interval level. Pretty neat, basically real time. If you don't have a smart meter or if you're interested in looking at the usage of individual appliances, there are a number of companies that have developed technology that allow you to do just this. The simplest of them are something called smart plugs, which are exactly what they sound like. They go between the cord at the end of an appliance and an outlet, and they're Wi-Fi enabled, so they can send data to an app that tells you how much electricity that individual appliance is using. A lot of them are also voice controlled, which is pretty neat because you can tell Alexa to, I don't know, run the dishwasher or something. Other technology that allows you to do this plugs into your circuit breaker and tells you at an entire whole home level how much energy individual appliances or processes are using. Pretty neat. A couple of these, like for instance Sense, will automatically figure out what different loads are in your home and tell you how much electricity these various appliances are using. Others, like Illumin or Span.io, plug into individual circuits in your circuit breaker and allow you to turn on those circuits or turn them off. Pretty neat. Also, if you have solar, your solar inverter app should actually provide or may actually provide consumption monitoring. So for instance, this is a look at my consumption monitoring today, and I know for instance that this big spike at night was me turning on the dishwasher, and this spike in the morning was me heating up water for coffee. Pretty neat. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching as always, and stay safe out there.